The Hope Street Hotel is a stylish four-star hotel located in the heart of Liverpool's Georgian quarter, situated between the city's two magnificent cathedrals. It boasts a city chic design, incorporating original features like Cheshire brick, glass, iron pillars, and pitch pine beams, complemented by bespoke cherry, oak, and walnut furniture. The hotel offers 149 rooms, ranging from kings to luxurious rooftop suites with terraces and outdoor spa baths. It features two restaurants, the London Carriage Works, serving modern British cuisine, and 1931, offering hand-stretched pizzas and pasta. Double bedroom 102, virtual visit. Here is my objective assessment. Positive points. Elegantly designed rooms with exposed brick wall and wood beams. I wonder if it is Norwegian wood? Nespresso machine. Water kettle for tea. Biscuits, cookies in room. Complimentary bottles of water. Iron in room. Bathrobe in room. Safe in room. Phone to TV pairing. Clever light switch in bathroom. Friendly and helpful staff at the reception. Negative points. View out of window not great. Big negative. I only booked the hotel because there was a pool and spa, but I hadn't realized how expensive it is. £45 to £55 for 2 hours on top of room price. Absolutely ridiculous pricing. When I mentioned this to the lady at the reception, she said that it's because the spa is independent from the hotel. Well, if it's independent, don't mention that the hotel has a pool and spa then. Sound insulation in room, not good. I could hear sound from the restaurant downstairs and a lot of banging. I stayed in April 2025. The room without breakfast cost around 126 British pounds. That was equivalent to around 160 US dollars. Breakfast is an extra £19.50. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to check out the rating I give to the hotel at the end of the video. If you are thinking of spending a night in Liverpool, click on the top right to see my review of the Novotel Liverpool. And click now to see my review of the Radisson Blu Liverpool. Here is the clever light switch in the bathroom. You just need to move your finger across it for the light to turn on. The position of these shower taps is a bit strange. It's nearly as if they were built for a second person to be able to control your shower, but what would be the use of that? This black bag contains the non-slip mat for the shower. Temple Spa is a luxury toiletries brand from the UK. The hotel loses points for the bad sound insulation and the ridiculous pricing of its spa. My rating, 3.8.